Hey everyone, how are you? I'm hoping that all of you are doing great and you're keeping safe as well. So today I want you to take you through a gorgeous room tour in Dewa Phuket. So we were in Thailand for our honeymoon, and this was way back in 2019, and we was doing a road trip across Thailand, and Phuket was our last stop. So we thought, why not stay in a villa, because Thailand is known for some gorgeous villas, and another reason we chose the Dewa Phuket was because it was so close to the international airport. So I hope you enjoy this room tour. There are a lot more room tours coming your way, and I hope you enjoy this one. Thank you. So as you can see, there's a pathway leading to our pool villa in Dewa Phuket. There are many different types of villas as well as many different types of rooms. As you can see, my husband is trying to open our pool villa, and I'll take you there in just a second. So here you can see the pool, but we'll come back to the pool in some time. First, I would love to show you the bedroom. I love the aesthetics of the place. I always loved a canopy bed, and I would love to have one when we get our own place one day. From here, I take you to the outdoor bathroom / shower area. There is a separate toilet area which is closed, otherwise everything else is open, which was a good change. And here I take you to the gorgeous pool. We spent a lot of time here and we just wouldn't want to get out of the pool. There is also an open shower area. Thank you guys for watching. These are some more pictures from our stay at Dewa Phuket. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.